Hmm. If anybody's gonna move. Damn. 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 Ooh. Well, well, well. The time has come again. Jamaican athletes are throwing in the green, black, and gold, and they're playing for the white and red of Turkey. Let me ask you, are you really surprised? Do you remember when Danielle Thomas Dobbs had her interview during the 2024 Paris Olympics when she was denied the right to have her coach have access to the village for 2.5 weeks? Jamaica's field athletes feel neglected and have been feeling so for a long time. The same neglected athletes gave Jamaica so many of their medals in the past Olympics. Think about the fact that even the golden icons of the track feel neglected and underserved by the Jamaican government. So much so that Asafa Powell stated that his children will not be running for Jamaica if they don't do better by their athletes. So if Jamaica isn't treating and supporting the golden track stars great, how do you think they're treating the field stars? Now I get it. Jamaica just can't come up with money and pay all these athletes millions of dollars. Most of the money made by the track stars are mostly through endorsements and outside business deals, and we understand that. No one is telling Jamaica that they have to pay them this exorbitant amount of money. But as a country who stands on pride, they should find creative and innovative ways to boost the stardom and the value of their athletes when they support home. So when they walk in the door of a business meeting, they have a leg to stand on with the support of their government so that nobody can take advantage of them. Jamaica, it's time to put innovation back to use like we used to do back in the days. Let's take care of our athletes so the next time we don't have to worry about situations like this.